Have you ever looked at a smartphone photo and thought, wow, that looks like it was taken with a professional camera? If not, you might just have that moment with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Apple has always pushed the boundaries of mobile photography, but this time, it's not just an upgrade. It's a leap forward. With new leaks and insider information painting a clearer picture of what's coming, we're diving deep into the camera system of the iPhone 17 Pro Max and why it might just be the biggest upgrade in years. Let's start with the backbone of any great smartphone camera, the main sensor. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to retain the 48MP main sensor seen in previous models, and while some might see that as stagnation, Apple has a different approach. It's not about cramming more megapixels into a sensor. It's about making every pixel work smarter. Computational photography is where Apple excels. And with AI-driven enhancements, expect better low-light performance, more natural skin tones, and an HDR system that adapts to lighting in real time, ensuring that every shot looks as true to life as possible. Now, let's talk about the ultra-wide lens, an essential tool for capturing sprawling landscapes and tight group shots. While Apple is sticking with a 48MP ultra-wide sensor, the refinements here are key. Sharper details, improved color accuracy, and edge distortion correction mean that whether you're capturing a vast mountain range or snapping a quick selfie with friends, your shots will look better than ever. There's even talk of macro photography enhancements, making those extreme close-up shots crisper and more detailed. But the real game changer? The telephoto lens. Apple is rumored to be making a massive leap from a 12MP periscope telephoto lens to a 48MP sensor. This means more clarity, better zoom quality, and an overall sharper image when you're capturing distant subjects. The 5x optical zoom from the iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to return, but with improved image stabilization and even crisper results at higher zoom levels. With Samsung's Galaxy Ultra series dominating long-range photography, Apple seems poised to level the playing field, and maybe even tip the scales in its favor. And if selfies are your thing, Apple is finally giving the front camera a major boost, doubling the resolution from 12MP to 24MP. This upgrade will enhance clarity, improve depth of field, and likely introduce better low-light performance. Whether you're on a video call, snapping a quick selfie, or recording content for social media, expect your front-facing shots to look better than ever. Apple is also rumored to be implementing AI-powered enhancement for portraits, similar to what we've seen from Google and Samsung, bringing a DSLR-like quality to your front-facing images. One of the more intriguing leaks is Apple's potential use of GP, glass plus plastic, lens technology. While some might worry that this is a cost-cutting move, history tells us that Apple never makes material changes without a reason. If executed well, a hybrid glass-plastic lens could reduce weight, improve durability, and still maintain high optical clarity. However, real-world tests will be the true judge of how this innovation stacks up against traditional all-glass lenses. But as exciting as hardware upgrades are, Apple's true strength has always been in computational photography. The A18 Pro chip, set to power the iPhone 17 Pro Max, is expected to introduce next-level image processing, real-time HDR enhancements, and AI-driven scene recognition. We could see features like Super Night Mode for dramatically improved low-light shots, AI-powered portraits with smarter background blur, and even facial recognition that enhances detail in ways we haven't seen before. Apple's ProRAW format may also see upgrades, giving professional photographers even more control over their shots. And for videographers, there's speculation about 8K recording at higher frame rates and enhanced ProRes editing capabilities, making the iPhone 17 Pro Max a powerhouse for content creation. So, the big question, are these upgrades enough? Apple's strategy has always been about refining rather than radically changing, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max seems to embody that philosophy. Instead of chasing extreme specs, Apple is focusing on smarter software, better user experience, and meaningful improvements that actually impact everyday photography. Some users might have hoped for a 10x periscope zoom or even larger sensors, but Apple's approach has always been about quality over quantity. If these leaks hold true, The iPhone 17 Pro Max could be one of the most powerful smartphones for photographers and videographers. The higher resolution telephoto lens, improved selfie camera, and AI-driven enhancements make it a compelling device for anyone serious about mobile photography. But of course, we'll have to wait for the official launch to see if Apple has any surprises in store. Until then, let us know, what camera upgrade excites you the most? Are you planning to upgrade? Or are you holding out for something even bigger? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.